Learning Target 3, Part 3. This is it. This is the very last one. Pay attention. Okay, so the last one. Do I have your attention now? Yeah, I'm totally not making all these videos in one night, so that's why I'm trying to play with the props. The props, they were like, to be honest, I haven't cleaned up since like the first week of school. You know, I used it and I just like, they're still here. So after this, I was gonna clean up. So, Learning Target 3, Part 3. The thing is, we have log on both sides. We have log on left side, we have log on the right side. And, okay, well, here's the thing. It wouldn't work if we have log with different bases, but because we're giving you with log with the same base, that's why if you have log on both sides, we cancel out logs. Yep, I said it. So easy. It's almost like having the same bases. We cross out the same base, remember? So log 5, gone. Log base 5, gone. They're gone. Bye-bye. Don't come back. 3x plus 1 equals 7. Oh my gosh. Freshmen can do this. 3x equals 6. Divided by 3. Divided by 3. X is 2. I mean, there needs to be a big easy button. Big easy button. Cancel out the logs when you have log on both sides because we have the same bases. I mean, it wouldn't work if it's different. So log, what's the invisible base? 10. Gone, gone. They have the same base. So negative 2x minus 4 equals x minus 6. Okay. Ooh, x on both sides. I think I'm going to add 2x because that will make my life easier. So 1 plus 2 is 3x. Ooh, don't forget, guys. A lot of people made this mistake on the skills check too. Bring down negative 4. And then add 6. Add 6. That's 2. 3x. Last part. Divided by 3. Divided by 3. So x is 2 over 3. Wow. That was easy. All you have to do is cancel out the logs when you have logs on both sides with the same bases. Well, I think that's it for today. Whoa, you got lucky. This is only a 3-minute video. Alright, well, go back and do some homework assignments on Canvas, okay? Bye. I gotta change back to